Hello, my name is Travis. I'm here at Broadway Automotive to show you the all-new redesigned 2021 Hyundai Elantra. What will come standard with this vehicle is your blind spot collision avoidance assist, which will detect a vehicle in your blind spot, preventing you from getting in that accident while driving. Now, I want to show you what's under the hood. With power and fuel economy all combined, this will be a 2.0 4-liter engine. It will give you 147 horsepower along with 41 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle will also come with your 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary maintenance. Now for the space in this vehicle. With leading all-class passenger volume and interior volume, there is plenty of space for all families and friends. Now with the redesign of this vehicle, this back does have that sporty look. And if you have a family and friends filled in your car, the trunk space is phenomenal to bring all the activities you want for that day. Now, with this driver enhanced seating and display, this vehicle will come standard with your Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connection. There are also options available for built-in navigation and wireless device charging. So, what's stopping you from contacting Broadway Automotive and getting this 2021 Hyundai Elantra on the road today for a test drive?